Welcome, I'm Kimberly and this is the Tickle Pink Events channel, and if you're new here, yay, I'm so excited to have you join the party. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Before we start on tonight's video, quick reminder to click that subscribe button. That way you'll always see my videos in your feed when you log on to YouTube. But if you want to be notified before even getting to YouTube, click that little notification bell and you will get a notification letting you know the minute I upload a new video. Now that we've got the housekeeping out of the way, it's cocktail time. And as you can see, I'm kind of fancy dressed. I've got on a party dress. I've got on a party hat because we are celebrating tonight. And what are we celebrating tonight? My birthday! Woo! Yep, that's right. I'm celebrating a birthday. It's time to turn up. It's time to party. And I wanted to celebrate it with you. And I thought, what better way to kick off my birthday than to create a signature cocktail? Now, full disclosure, I had another cocktail that I was going to make and it involved bourbon and it was really sophisticated, and then I had to pump the brakes because after I tested it, it wasn't very good. So I was back to the drawing board and I came up with something I think that was even better. So the lesson here is, if something doesn't work out the first time, it's probably going to be better the next time because now you know what you want. So on with the show. Tonight I'm making something that I love, and it's got a fun twist. It's a mimosa, but it's not your normal mimosa with juice and stuff. It is a mimosa with sorbet or sherbet. It's sorbet and Prosecco. The reason I chose this is because when people ask, like, what do you want for your birthday? What do you want to do? Literally, my reply was, I want to day drink and hang out with my friends and eat, which translates into brunch. So when I was thinking about my birthday cocktail, I was like, what's brunchy? Nothing says brunch like mimosas or bottomless mimosas, my favorite. So I am going to be celebrating my birthday with my friends at brunch, and I thought I'd bring you guys along to the party, but I'd do a fun, festive birthday mimosa to share the day with you all as well. So let's get started. This is a really simple cocktail, but it's a fun twist that everyone's going to enjoy, and you can serve it at bridal showers, birthday parties, brunches you're hosting at your home, and it's just interesting and different. So let's get started. Now, you can see that I've rimmed a cute little champagne flute with some crystallized sugar. It just makes it festive. You could do whatever color sugar you want. This is the Tickle Pink Events channel, so of course my sugar's pink. So let's get started. Well, wait, it's my birthday, and who are we kidding? It's time to pull out the big guns. Yep, I'm gonna make my mimosa in this. I've got a little confetti in there. Woohoo! So yes, we are going to make my mimosa in my wine goblet, and it's cool. You can use a little scoop to do the small ones, and I can demonstrate that for you too as well. But I thought it's my birthday. We're gonna go big. We're gonna go all out. So we're gonna get one scoop of our sorbet, and this is a beautiful raspberry sorbet. Gorgeous color, and we're gonna plop it right into our glass. Ah, come on. It's coming. We're gonna have to, having a little, there, it's gonna need a little help. This is like the blooper reel. There we go, ta-da! Thank you for bearing with me through that. Next, to add like a little extra kick and a little citrusy flavor, I'm gonna do a Grand Marnier shot, like half an ounce, not a full ounce shot. But this will just give it a little extra kick of alcohol and some fun orange flavor because it's raspberry and orange and it's gonna be delicious. And this is so good. And what doesn't Grand Marnier make better? So there we go. It's kind of like a Cadillac style mimosa. You know how you get Cadillac margaritas and they have the floater of Grand Marnier? Well, this is a Cadillac mimosa. Maybe that's what I'll call it, Kimberly's Cadillac Mimosa. And you cannot have a mimosa without bubbles. And I'm using Prosecco because, it's casual, it's easy, you don't have to spend a ton of money, you can get a good quality Prosecco, and it's got a little more sweetness than typical champagne, so it'll definitely accentuate the sorbet. Woo! I love that sound. It's like my favorite sound in the world. It just sounds like good things are about to happen. So we're just gonna pour this in here. And as you can see, what a beautiful color this makes. So you have a beautiful pinkish color that comes from the raspberry sorbet, and then you have the little Grand Marnier at the bottom. And I'm going to demonstrate a smaller one for you, so in case you don't want to party this hard. This is more like what you would use for like a brunch or a party or a gathering, and you don't want to make, you know, monster-sized mimosas. So if you do that, all you do is get a smaller scoop, and you do like one, I'd say about 3 of these little scoops. 2 and 3. This scoop worked a lot better. Thank you for your cooperation. And I would then do, oh, here we go. Like half, like a quarter of an ounce of the Grand Marnier. The thing's not open. Just winning tonight. I think I'm just really excited to celebrate my birthday, and I was so pumped to do this video. So thank you guys for sharing in the festivities. So we're gonna do half an ounce of that in there. You've got a little at the bottom, and now we'll just top it off with some Prosecco as well. And so, woohoo! It's a party. So good. Ooh. Tonight's video is definitely a special occasion. But as you can see, you can do a large or a small. And this is great for, like, you know, maybe a couple, you and a few of your friends. This is like the size you would serve at like a brunch and something civilized. But it's my birthday, so I'm turning up. So thank you guys for joining me for my birthday cocktail celebration. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And next time you're looking for a fun, upgraded way to have a mimosa, give this a try. You can also do it with like tangerine sorbet, mango, any flavor is good. And it's really just going to be like a great like mimosa float. So I hope you give this a try, and if you do, comment below and let me know. And here's to another year of life. May this one be the best one. Cheers!